What's up guys, MLB The Show 26 is now fully released, and if you are planning to buy it, I'm gonna show you which edition to buy. There are two main editions you can choose from, the standard edition and the digital deluxe edition. The standard edition is priced at $70 for PlayStation and Xbox and $60 for Nintendo Switch. With this version, you get the full game, 5 The Show packs and a gold choice pack. It's a simple option and gives you everything you need to start playing. Now the digital edition is priced at $100 across all platforms. This version comes with a lot more content. You get 20 The Show packs, 2 WBC choice packs, 1 Legend choice pack, 1 WBC uniform pack, 1 equipment pack, double daily rewards, 1 cover athlete bat skin pack, 20,000 stubs and a gold choice pack. So which one should you go for? If you are just playing casually, maybe offline modes or with friends, then the standard edition is the better choice. You save money and still get the full experience. But if you are planning to grind Diamond Dynasty or play the game regularly, then the digital deluxe edition is worth it. The extra packs and stubs gives you a strong head start and more content right away. So it really depends on your playstyle. Casual players go for standard and dedicated players should go for the digital deluxe edition. Hope this clear things up. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.